If you've already registered a fingerprint on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra and you want to add another one, then here's how to do it. So simply go to Settings, and under Settings you want to scroll down and select Password and Security. Tap on that and select Fingerprint. Now you'll be required to enter your PIN, password or pattern if you haven't set one up, or you'll be prompted to set one up if you haven't. So now, as you can see, I've already added a fingerprint, and this was my thumb. And now to add another fingerprint, I'll simply tap on Add Fingerprint, then tap on Next to proceed. And then now I'll simply place my finger on the fingerprint sensor at different angles. Like that, to add it. So place your finger while lifting it. Scan the edges like that until the phone or the sensor captures your entire fingerprint. And once you've successfully added your fingerprint, tap on Finish. And now, as you can see, I have 2 fingerprints added. Now you can tap on View Enrolled Fingerprints, and you can select either one of the fingerprints or see how many fingerprints you have registered, or you can check which finger it is that you've registered. Finger 2 is this one, and that's basically how to add another fingerprint to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now you can use it to unlock screen or something else, or you can also toggle on this option, Screen Off Fingerprint Display, so that it can display the fingerprint when the screen is off, like that. So now I can use either of my fingerprints to unlock my Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.